Hi, and welcome to this short introduction to the industry's first instant booking. We will show you how to easily book and get an instant confirmation. Enter your booking information. Add the price owner by clicking on Add and then select your choice. Scroll down and choose the earliest departure date, commodity, container type and size, number of containers, and the weight per container. Click on Continue and specify contract allocation if relevant for you, or otherwise select I do not have customer allocation and click on Continue. On the Select Sailing page, what you see is what you get. If the vessel doesn't have space, we will show it as fully booked. Click on Show Route, Pricing, Other Details to see the details of the route. You can also see the price details, deadlines for the booking, service contract and allocation if they are relevant to you. Click on Select to book on this vessel without waiting for availability confirmation, nor risk of rejection. Here you will see the container yard where containers are in stock. Choose your pickup yard, select the pickup date and click on Optional Details to see some of the value-added services where specific needs can be easily added. Click on Review Booking. Review your booking details. Add an additional email address if you want your booking to be sent to someone else. Submit your booking for an instant confirmation at the click of a button. Here you go! Welcome to Instant Booking.